Kephego Malkhung Chalokmani Jarwi Romjakkha Aguli Khorokbrwi Khorokba Sikla Soimankha Borok Udaipuro Mabari Mutai Khulumui Kifli Tongmani Sunamura Chomoni Anchayo Sogui Kheno Udaipuro Horbothnai Brindi Arokni Malkhungno Site Riyakari Dawi Thang Tonglaikha Yagulo Horbothnai Brindi Ani Sebok Thanirok Romesh Chomoni ni Traffic Police no Sahokheno a Malkhung Kasujakha Malkhung Kasugui Malkhung bisigo tongnai Khorokbrwi Khorokba Romjakkha Soimankha Borok Fegjak Hwnwi
Shape your future with technology at NALED Agartala. Under NALED, deemed to be University of Ministry of Electronics and IT, Government of India. Admissions for the 2026-27 academic session is going on. Choose from industry-focused programs including Diploma in Computer Science and Electronics Engineering, BCA, BTech in Computer Science and MTech in Data Engineering. Experience modern learning with advanced labs, expert faculty, paid internships, placement assistance, startup support, transport facility, and hostels for boys and girls. Tuition fees are free for SC and ST candidates. For enquiries, contact 0381 239 1010 or 8794 822 459.